Now,
Good evening, everyone. आयचे दिसाचे chief guest, मुजो uncle. He's as good as a father to me. Bab Kadeni Alemau, ex-ZP member, Banali constituency. Amgele youth, very hard-working Sarpanch Warka Gaunche by Flavia Barreto. Tej Bashin ex-Sarpanch Punch Muzoboro East Bab Charlton Lorenzo. Tej Bashin ex-Sarpanch Punch Mungelo Amig Bab Roland. Tej Bashin Mungelo Boro East ex-Sarpanch Sarko Lokamodeos Aspi Bab Simon. Tej Bashin ex-Punch Bab Rosario. Tezo Chedo Bab Royston Mungelo Boro Amig. Tej Bashin Muzo Boro East Muzo Amig Bab Spencer. Tej Bashin Aiz Mungelo Boro East Bab Joe Teko Ipazalna Joan Teke Chediatala Bab Nellen. Tej Bashin Bab Arindam Mungelo Boro East. I've known Arindam since he was playing for Tata Academy when he was 19 or 18 if I'm not wrong. And the same way, my dearest friend, I've known him, I've seen him, I've always believed in him. I've only seen him on television. This is the first time I'm meeting him personally. Although we talk a lot on the phone, I'm phonaches Borpur olaitai, Bab Sandesh Jingan, Mungele respected parents, Sugli. I'm very grateful to each and every one of you all ki tumi or summer camp choose केला तुमगे भुरग्या पासत कित्या एक पेरेंट्स जायते ऑप्शन मेळटाय पूण तुमी सगळ्यांनी मुगे टिमाचे मुगेले कोचाचे स्टाफाचे सगळ्यांचे इतलो विश्वास दवरला हांव सदां तुमचो उपकारी आनी सदां तुमचे बरो आसतलो त्याच भाशेन मुगेलो यूथ ओ सुपर पावर तुमी सगळीं I want to thank each and every one of you for turning up every day and coming and learning about discipline, about hard work. A summer camp Kurpak, Otisro Oros Mungelo, it's been since 2023. Political idea rache I kedna o summer camp kelna. College time is on now social work aha. 16 वर्षाची असताना कॉलेजीचो जनरल सेक्रेटरी आलोलो आणि ते टाइम इसन हांव सदांच सोशल वर्क आलोलो पण सदां बिहाइंड द कर्टन आलोलो आता इन द लास्ट 5 years I'm out in the open. That's the reason you all are seeing me and I'm so visible, but my work is always on. This summer camp, as long as I'm alive, whether I'm active in politics or I'm not active, this summer camp will be on for each and every one over here. Does not matter. I want to Maka Warka Sports Club aso president Bab Joachim Alemau, tej bashin vice president Bab Tennyson Rosa, tej bashin secretary Bab Jimmy देखून काडजांतल्यान हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा की तुमी हो ग्राउंड दिला म्हण म्हाका मुजो भाव हा वचोय उब रावन तशी हाटल्या बाब फ्रेझर आणि दुसरो भाव व्हडलो भाव बाब रेगन आमी तिगाय भाव एकवटान बाराबोर केन्ना एक इनिशिएटिव्ह घेयल्या आमी एक टेबलाचेर बसून आमी डिसिजन घेताय आनी डिसायड कोताय कॅम्प करपा जाय जाल्यार इफ वी हॅव टू डू अ कॅम्प वी हॅव टू डू इट वेल. देयर इज नो यूज डुईंग एन इनकम्प्लीट कॅम्प ऑफ 2 days 3 days 4 days. द चिल्ड्रन हॅव टू लर्न. देयर हॅज टू बी अ डिसिप्लिन फोकस हार्ड वर्क बिकॉज आयचे चोयल्या भुरगीं होक्कोच कंप्युटराचे आसताय मोबायलाचे आसताय फोनाचे आसताय पूण पयली शाबासकी तुमकां पेरंट्सा कित्याक हो हॉलिडे तुमकां सगल्यांक एक टायम मेळटा रेस्ट करपाक पूण तुमी तुमगे चिंत नासतना उठोन सकाळींची तुमी तुमगे भुरग्यांक हिंग हाडटाय. सो अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज टू द पेरंट्स ओवर हियर. मुगेलो बापूय मेल्या 30 आणि 40 वर्स जाले 34 years. My mother passed away when I was 19. I know what is the value of parents. Makan muge dogai bahak. All of you all over here, I would request you all, the way Arindam said, the way Sandesh said, your entire life should revolve around your parents, because your parents' entire life revolves around all of y'all. The amount of hard work today, Warren has given you all a jersey, a short pant, breakfast. Warren has given it to only for 2 weeks. Doni somna dilai tumga. But this same thing your parents are giving you all your life without anything in return. So you'll all, as soon as this camp, today this celebration gets over, you'll have to go and hug your parents and say a big thank you, because these parents that you'll have are today making, they are responsible to see that you'll turn up to be good children, children who will be big stars tomorrow in the field of sports, engineering, doctors. So my humble request, which I always say, do whatever you want to do, but respect your parents. With the blessing of your parents, God will bless you all, the Almighty will bless you all. I want to thank the coaching staff, Bab Savio and his entire team, for coming out every day and supporting and doing this entire camp. So a big round of applause to Savio. I want to thank Frankie and his team, the entire volunteers. Y'all, Frankie, who is actually the heart and soul of this entire summer camp. Where are you, Frankie? I can't see you. Frankie, thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming out and helping me. Ramir, I called you once and I said, Ramir, can you come and handle this? You just said, yes, Warren, anything for you. So thank you so much, Ramir. In general, I want to once again thank the parents. Thank you so much for believing in me and allowing your children to join this camp. So all the best to all of you, and 2025 summer camp once again. Tumetli, will you all come? I want to hear it louder. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I can see all the happy faces. I know you all are enjoying, but little thing I'll tell you is study is also important as football or any other sports you all do. So when you go back home, focus on your studies also, because I know you all want to play for the country, and I'm sure for FC Goa as well. But discipline is very important, and education. When you all score goals, get a man of the match, you have to speak well. So for that, you need to study hard, and I'm sure you all want to follow this guy standing on the other corner, playing for the country for so many years, a legend. You all have seen him from so close. Try and do the same, play well, and study hard. Thank you, guys.
आजचे आमचेर आशिल्ले सरपंच बाय फ्लाविया बारेटो, तशेंच आमचो म्हजो इश्ट, तसोच एक्स सरपंच प्रेजेंट पंच चार्ल्टन लॉरेन्सो, तसोच म्हजो इश्ट बाब रोलैंड फर्नांडीस, एक्स सरपंच प्रेजेंट पंच, तसोच म्हजो इश्ट बाब सायमन पेरेरा, एक्स सरपंच, तसोच म्हजो इश्ट बाब रुजार, एक्स पंच, आमचो सोशल वर्कर बाब स्पेन्सर पेरेरा, तसोच इंटरनॅशनल प्लेयर अरिंदर भट्टाचार्य, आनी तसोच इंटरकाशी प्लेयर. तेच भाशेन आमची हाजीर आशिल्लो बाब संदेश दिंगन, इंटरनॅशनल प्लेयर, आनी तसोच FC गोवा प्लेयर. तेच भाशेन आमचो नेणटो बरो फुटबॉल प्लेयर बाब नेलन पेरेरा, म्हजो इश्टाचो चेडो, फिडमोर राजो प्रोपरायटर, पायचे हाटल्यान तो प्रोपरायटर. तसोच म्हजो नेव्यू वॉरन आलेमो, आजच्या दिसाचो ऑर्गनायझर. तसो म्हजो इश्ट बाब रामिरो सालीस, कंपेरर. आनी सगळे आशीर आशिल्ली चड म्हज्या मोगाच्या भाव भयणांदो आनी नेणटे नेणटे धाकले धाकले म्हजे हात भुरग्यां दो. आज हांव इतलो हुशाल पळोवन इतले धाकले तशे व्हडले धाकले भुरग्यांक हे मैदानाक बाब वॉरन आलेमोन तांकां हिंगा उबे केले म्हणून. हे असले समर कॅम्प करप म्हणजे एक धाकली वस्त न्हू. हे करूंक जायतो हाका खर्च पडटा, आनी हो खर्च बाबा वॉरन आलेमोन कांय न्हू केलो, आनी बरे हे भुरग्यांक रिफ्रेशमेंट जायतें दिवन ताणें हें कॅम्प बरें करून हाडलें म्हणून घडोवन हाडलें म्हणून हांव बाब व्हरोन हाडलें म्हणून काळजांतल्यान देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. म्हाका अवगडास येता आमचे भुरगे पळयनचो. जेन्ना आमी फुटबॉल खेळटाले आमी शेतां खेळटाले जाल्यार आमी खबर आसतली कितको आमी खेळटाले ते. पूण आज तुमकां इतले बरे फॅसिलिटी बाब व्हरोन हाडलें म्हणून व्हडले मैदानां काडले आनी हांव मागतां बाब व्हरोन हाडलें कडेन हे नेणटे भुरग्यांक अशें करून वुमन फुटबॉल, वुमन हॉकी, वुमन क्रिकेट तशीच मेन्स फुटबॉल हें तूं आनीकूय बरें तांकां करूंक तूं तांकां सपोर्ट दितलो म्हणून सजमतां. आनीक म्हाका दिसता अंकलाचे फाटल्यान बाब व्हरोन हाडलें म्हाका आमची सावळी आयल्या म्हणून ताचे रोगतांत आमचे भाशेन फुटबॉल तसोच बरें काम करपाचे विचार ताका येयलेले आसा. आनी हांवें सर्वे काडल्या त्या प्रमाणे एक्स पंच, एक्स सरपंच, आतां प्रेसिडेंट सरपंच पंच तसोच नेणटेले तशें जाणटेले लोक म्हणटा सगळे कडेन व्हरोन हाडलें म्हणून बरो येवकार बरो आदार करता म्हणून. हांव मागतां व्हरोन हाडलें म्हाका लागीं सदां तुवें अशेंच करचें. आमचे फाटल्यान म्हाका दिसता तूं एक जरूर MLA जातलो आनी मिनिस्टर जातलो आनी CMूय बी जावपाक तुका आनी टायम ना जातलो दिसता म्हाका. इतले बेगीन इतलें बरें करप म्हणजे एक जावन आसा बऱ्यांतलें बरें सोंपोन. आनी हांव चड आनी उलोयना आनी हांव मागतां बाब व्हरोन लागीं तुवें अशें जायतें बरें करून तूं आमचे वारकीचे तशें बाणावलीचे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी जायतें आनी बरें करतलो म्हणून सजमतां. आनी हो जो मोग तुवें आयज आमकां दिला तो हो मोग तूं सदां काल दितलो म्हणून सजमोन आनी आमची ही नेणटेल्यांक बरें हे फुटबॉलाक आनी उमेद हाडटलो म्हणून हांव सजमोन ही म्हजी 2 उतरां आयकली म्हणून काळजांतल्यान देव बरें करूं म्हणटा.
Songland good, no? Apologies, that's the only Konkani I know. I'm still new to it, still learning. Secondly, I want to thank Warren Paji for giving me this opportunity to come here, to see kids who are not interested what I'm saying, but they are happy. And to all of you here, just to see happy faces playing football gives a lot of joy to my heart. I won't take long and just want to share something which was told to me when I was about this age. I was 9, 10. I met a great man and he ushered some words in my ears which shaped my life. The words were simple. He said to me, Sandy, dream big. Dream as wild, as big. But make sure the work you put in has to be bigger than the dream. Dream big, work hard, and the last one, the most easiest one, to follow and to give up, is never lose sight of that dream, no matter what happens in your life. So if you'll ever remember me, just remember me for these 3 words. Dream big, work hard, and never, ever, ever give up on that dream. Be good kids, be good to your parents, be good to your neighborhood, and God bless you all. Thank you.
Respected dignitaries on the days, dear parents, my dear students over here, and my coaches, on behalf of my coaching team, I would like to thank Mr. Warren Alemao for this amazing initiative. Okay, students, can I have your attention here? Students here, come on. Okay, just a little while more. Okay, so my association with Warren is a very short one. I happened to get in contact with him through a friend, and so Warren happened to tell me about the summer camp So then he said he wants to have it for the Benali constituency, the students from the Benali constituency. So I told him that we need the number. So accordingly, he said that the number is around 200 to 350. That's what the number is all about. So I said we required so many number of coaches. So then he said, I want the best coaches for my camp, okay? Because he wants to give the best to the students here, to these players here, okay? So I had to search, dig around, and we had a qualified team of coaches. So I want to give Warren Alimau a big round of applause for giving the best coaches here, okay? Best in terms of qualification, because in the end, qualification is what it matters, okay? Because you have to know what to teach and where to teach as a coach, okay? No one can just come and coach. Anyone can be a player, but coaching is very special, okay? So regarding this camp, one more special thing I liked about this camp, which is like I've never seen before, is another different initiatives which he has taken, especially like we had a dental camp, we had a cashew plantation which were given to us, okay? So really, once again, a big round of applause for this special initiative to Mr. Warren Alimau. And once again, on behalf of our coaching team, I would like to thank you for having the Sports Hustle Goa and our coaches from different parts of Goa. Thank you so much.
Very good evening to one and all. First and foremost, I would like to thank Mr. Warren Alimau for inviting me for this summer camp. आणि तुमकां सगळ्या भुरग्यांक आयज हांव तुमकां सगळ्यांक चोयन खूब खुशाल जाली. पयलीं भुरगीं कितें कोतालीं, हॉलिडे पोटा हिंगा थिंगा हॉलिडेजां वयतालीं. बट वॉरनान एक इनिशिएटीव घेयलें समर कॅम्प घडोवन हाडपा. आनी समर कॅम्पाक लागून आयज तुमी सगळीं सकाळ फुडें बेगीन उठोन सगळीं हे ग्रावंडाचेर येयलीं. आनी म्हाका दिसता तुमी जायती हॅपी आहाय. नाई हॅपी नाई? सो आयज कोडे सॅड जातली कित्याक आयज हो तुमगेलो लास्ट डे म्हूण. सॅड आहाय मातशें? नवोदी नाय बेटाय. बट हो बरो इनिशिएटीव आमगे वॉरन आलिमावन घेयला आमगे भुरग्यांक ट्रेन अप करपा. वॉरन आलिमाव, गॉड ब्लेस यू फॉर दिस इनिशिएटीव यू हॅव टेकन. आनी फुटबॉल म्हळ्यार सोदां आमगे गोंयकारांले रोगताकू आहा. फुटबॉल म्हळ्यार जावं भुरगीं जावं तरणाटी वो जाणटे पासून फुटबॉल म्हळ्यार खूंय आहा थिंगसोन पयलीं धांवमान येताय. सारकें न्हू? तुमकां लायक ना फुटबॉल? आहा, तेका लागून आयज तुमी इतलीं भुरगीं म्हाका हिंगासो दिसताय. सो हांव एज अ सरपंच तुमकां सगल्यांक तुमचेर देवान जायतो आशिर्वाद घालूं. जे तुमी ह्या कॅम्पान शिकलें ते मुखारूय वचोन तुमकां शिरी पडटलें. खूंय तुमी गेमींग वो खंयच्या टिमीक तुमी जॉयन जातलीं. तुमकां जायतो लांब फ्युचर आहा. सो तुमी थिंगाय कितें यूज करपा तुमकां कितें कॅम्पान शिकलें तें तुमकां मुखार यूज करूंक मेळटलें. एंड आय थँक ऑल द डिग्निटरीज ऑन द स्टेज. थँक यू.